90% of drivers are sitting on a ticking time bomb under their own hood. Somewhere between your air filter and your engine block sits a sensor most owners have never even heard of, and if you ignore it the way 90% of people do, you are gambling with a repair bill that can climb past $3,000 before you even know what hit you. Today you are counting down 10 sensors quietly failing in cars across the country right now. Sensors dealerships love charging you $444. Sensors Consumer Reports and NHTSA data both confirm are behind some of the most common and most preventable check engine lights on the road. We are going from 10 all the way down to 1, and by the time we reach number 1 you will understand exactly why this single sensor is responsible for more misdiagnosed repairs, more wasted fuel, and more destroyed catalytic converters than almost anything else in your engine bay. If you leave before we hit number 1, you are walking away from the exact information that could save you thousands of dollars this year, so stick with me. Number 10, the tire pressure sensor, costing $50 to $100 per wheel to replace, and you probably do not think about it until a warning light ruins your morning. These sensors sit inside your wheels taking a beating from potholes, road salt, and corrosion, and once the battery inside dies, you are driving blind on tire pressure that could be silently wearing down your tread. Owners of certain 2014 to 2018 Toyota Camry and Chrysler models have reported on NHTSA forums that ignored sensor failures led to uneven wear costing them a full set of tires years early, a bill that can run past $600. Skip this sensor and you are not avoiding a repair, you are financing new tires ahead of schedule. Number 9, the knock sensor, priced between $150 and $400, and this one is a betrayal because it protects your engine from destroying itself from the inside. It listens for abnormal vibrations caused by engine knock, and when it fails silently, your engine computer stops adjusting timing to protect your pistons. Consumer Reports data flags this failure on several 2007 to 2014 GM V8 trucks, where owners drove for months unaware until spun bearings led to engine rebuilds costing $4,000 or more. A dead knock sensor does not just throw a code, it strips away the one safeguard standing between you and a blown engine. Number 8. The Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, running $80 to $250, and it is the quiet regret hiding behind poor gas mileage. This sensor measures engine vacuum to calculate load, and when it drifts out of range, your fuel trims go haywire, costing you 5 to 15% at the pump without a single warning light. NHTSA complaints on 2011 to 2016 Ford Escape and Focus models describe stalling tied directly to a failing map sensor, a problem that starts as a wallet drain and ends as a safety gamble at a red light. Ignore it and you are paying for gas you never even burned. Number 7, the oxygen sensor, running $150 to $400, and you trust it to balance your fuel mixture without ever checking on it. When it fails, you get a slow, quiet betrayal in the form of fuel economy dropping 5 to 10% while you notice nothing at all. NHTSA data on 2015 to 2018 Nissan and Honda models shows owners driving for months on a failing oxygen sensor because the car still felt fine, and Consumer Reports links this neglect directly to catalytic converters dying years early, a repair that runs upward of $1,500. Ignore this sensor and you are financing a disaster in installments of wasted gas. Number 6, the coolant temperature sensor, costing as little as $40 to $120, yet capable of triggering a financial nightmare far beyond its price tag. It tells your car how hot your engine actually runs, and when it lies to your computer, your engine can run dangerously hot without your gauge ever spiking. Owners of 2013 to 2017 Chevrolet Cruze and Ford Focus models have reported overheating undetected until smoke rolled out from under the hood, landing them with head gasket repairs over $2,000. A dead coolant sensor does not just confuse your dashboard, it can quietly cook your engine while you drive home feeling completely safe. Number 5, the ABS wheel speed sensor, priced $60 to $200, and this is the trap that turns into a safety gamble in the rain. It tells your computer how fast each wheel is spinning so your anti-lock brakes and stability control can kick in during an emergency stop, and when it fails, those systems quietly disable themselves without you realizing it until you need them most. NHTSA complaint data ties failed wheel speed sensors to extended stopping distances on wet roads across multiple 2012 to 2017 model year vehicles. A dead ABS sensor is not a warning light you can ignore, it is your braking system betting against you in the one moment you cannot afford to lose. Number 4, the throttle position sensor, priced $80 to $200, hiding a regret that can cost you your safety on the highway. It tells your computer exactly how far you are pressing the gas, and when it fails, you get sudden power surges or terrifying moments where acceleration disappears mid-merge. Consumer Reports flags this on several 2014 to 2019 Chrysler and Jeep models, and NHTSA has logged thousands of complaints tied to hesitation linked back to this exact sensor. A worn throttle position sensor is not just a repair bill, it is a gamble with your life every time you hit the gas. Number 3. The Camshaft and Crankshaft position sensors, running $100 to $300 each, and here is the trap nobody sees coming. These sensors tell your engine when to fire each cylinder, and when they degrade, your car can stall completely at the worst possible moment, in an intersection or backing out of a driveway with your kids in the car. Owners of 2011 to 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokees have filed NHTSA complaints describing sudden stalling tied directly to this failure, and the tow truck bill alone adds another $200 on top. This is not a maintenance suggestion. This is a ticking time bomb bolted directly onto your engine block. Number 2. The fuel pressure sensor, priced $100 to $300, and this is the betrayal hiding behind a car that just will not start on a cold morning. It tells your computer exactly how much fuel pressure is available, and when it fails, your engine either floods with fuel or starves completely, leaving you stranded with no warning. Owners across multiple Ford and GM truck forums describe repeat no-start complaints that mechanics misdiagnosed as a dead battery or a bad starter, racking up hundreds of dollars in unnecessary parts before anyone checked this sensor. Ignore it and you are gambling with getting stranded exactly when you need your car the most. And now, number 1. The sensor that 90% of owners never clean, the mass airflow sensor. This tiny component measures exactly how much air enters your engine so your computer can calculate the perfect fuel mixture, and when it gets even slightly dirty, your entire fuel system spirals into chaos, rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and a check engine light that refuses to turn off. This sensor sits directly in the path of every speck of dust and oil vapor entering your intake, with zero protection from the elements unlike sensors buried in your exhaust or engine block. A 2016 Ford F-150 rolled into a shop with 90,000 miles and an owner convinced his transmission was dying, and the mechanic found the sensor caked in black grime that had never once been cleaned. One $13 can of cleaner later, the truck ran like new, and the owner had been minutes away from approving a $3,500 transmission rebuild for a problem that cost pocket change. Industry data links over 60% of these failures back to cheap or over-oiled air filters, and Consumer Reports flags this exact chain reaction as one of the most common causes of catalytic converter failure nationwide, a repair running $1,000 to $3,000 that your insurance will not cover because they call it normal wear and tear. A teacher in Pennsylvania learned this when her Honda Civic needed an $1,800 catalytic converter traced straight back to a filthy mass airflow sensor that had been poisoning her engine for 20,000 miles. Fixing it costs almost nothing. Locate the sensor between your air filter and intake tube, unplug it, spray dedicated sensor cleaner from 6 inches away in short bursts, and let it air dry 10 full minutes before reinstalling, never using brake cleaner or touching the element with your bare fingers. Do this every 30,000 miles, or 20,000 if you drive a diesel, and you eliminate the single most expensive and preventable failure hiding in your engine bay right now. You just learned exactly which 10 sensors are quietly draining your wallet, and the mass airflow sensor sitting at number 1 proves the smallest, cheapest parts in your car cause the biggest financial disasters. Do not let a $13 can of cleaner turn into a $3,000 catastrophe because nobody warned you in time. Drop a comment right now and let me know where you are watching from, because I read every single one of them.